So dear crypto anarchists, dear freedom lovers, welcome in Prague, welcome in Central Europe, welcome at HCPP. I'm really happy that you come here. Please your hand, who is here like the first time? Just first time, yeah. Okay, who is here the second time? Third time? Oh, cool. So we have a lot of like first timers. So let me introduce shortly. My name is Pavel Luptak, and I'm one of the co-organizers of this conference, this unique conference in Central Europe. I'm also the co-founder of Parallel Polis, this unique place. You are just here. And I would like to open HCPP Congress and tell you more about what is going on and what interesting workshop presentations, lightning talks, interesting events are waiting for you. So before I would like to explain you the slogan opt-out we decided to choose for this year, because every year we have a bit different topic, and this year we decided for opt-out. So what was the idea behind this decision? Firstly, after so many years, we realized that we crypto-anarchist, voluntaries, libertarian, freedom lovers, we were, we are, and also we will be in the future always in minority. And it is really crucial to realize this important fact. So it means that that democratic system we are just living now cannot lead to more freedom or more free society. So it is really important to realize this fact and to cope with this fact. But don't desperate, because what we have now is a global internet community with connecting millions of people with different people with the same taste, and this taste is taste for freedom. And this is exactly what Parallel Polis is trying to do. So we are a community now fully working in Bratislava and Prague, probably starting in 1 month in Barcelona or also in Vienna. And what we are trying to do, we are trying to connect all these people with the same taste for freedom together. And we are trying to show these people how it's possible to make a parallel society and how to opt out of the system. So let's connect this community. And this conference, you will see a lot of presentation, how it is possible to use current crypto technology and various legislation hacks, various legislation loopholes, or legislation tricks to achieve more freedom. So what is important, achieve new freedom using globality and flexibility, opt out of the system. So this is a very short explanation, and now I'm going to describe our dear speakers we'll have at this year of the conference. So first one, and one of the most important one, is Robin Hanson. Robin Hanson is inventor of the term futarchy. Maybe you know that this term. Futarchy is a society, is a concept of society which is based on prediction markets. So Robin Hanson is really focused on prediction markets. He wrote 2 interesting books. The first book is called The Elephant in the Brain. It's about statuses in our society. And the second one is The Age of M. It's about possibility, about future society where it will be possible to make a clone of human brain. I strongly recommend it to read both these books. This year, Robin Hanson will have a presentation here about radical concept of criminal proposal, how we can change our approach to solve criminal acts. Another very important speaker will be Luis Cuende. Luis Cuende is the main guy behind the project Aragon DAO. DAO is decentralized autonomous organization. For those who don't know what DAO exactly means, so in these days, the government are losing their monopoly over issuing money thanks to cryptocurrencies. But still, they have monopoly over business licenses. So if you want to create a company, you can create Czech company, you can create a US company, but still the licenses are issued by the specific governments. But in the future, probably this won't be true because DAO basically means that thanks to smart contracts, you would be able to create any decentralized organization or any decentralized company, store agreements between owner of this company to the blockchain, and start completely decentralized, unstoppable organization. And exactly about this, Luis Coende will have a presentation. Another interesting speaker is Nickel Middleton. Nickel Middleton, it's a guy from Oxford, and he will have a presentation about non-existing states, about very interesting states you are probably not aware. We have Cubanian dissident from Cuba. His name is Reynaldo Escobar Casas. Also, we'll have another people from China and probably also from North Korea. So we try to have people from all these dictatorship countries. They will tell you what's going on in this country, how they are fighting for more freedom, what kind of technologies they use. Another important speaker is Trevin Keith. He's from Philippines, and Trevin will have a presentation how it is possible using his pretty bad passport to get visas and residency in the most countries. So he's like some kind of state hacker. Ken Schuland. Ken is responsible for writing really important book. The name of this book is, I think it's Stories of Jonathan Gullible. It's the anarchistic book for children, and it was translated probably to 100 languages, different languages, even to Slovak language and Czech language. And if you want to teach anarchy to your children, maybe you should start with this book. Strongly recommended. And then we have a lot of regular speakers with their new mind-blowing presentation, like Paul Rosenberg, Smagel, Jörg Platzer, Juraj Bednar, and much more. Unfortunately, I don't have time to speak about all speakers we will have this year at HCPP, but we have more than 45 speakers together. But I would like to mention 3 important panel discussions we will have here. The first one, which will be moderated by me, it's called Crypto Liberation Community Panel. So it seems that in Europe now we have like growing crypto liberation communities in different cities. So people from Germany, from Austria, from Spain, from Slovakia, from Czech Republic, from all these countries, they are trying to build parallel policies or their own crypto liberation communities. And I decided to invite all these people at one place, and we'll have discussion panel focused on crypto liberation and crypto liberation communities. Also, we will have a very interesting panel with the biohackers with the name Biohack Yourself. And also this year, we will focus on virtual reality. So if you're keen on virtual reality, don't miss the panel Beyond Virtual Reality. Lightning talks. Also, we will have a lot of lightning talks, focus on very different topics. For example, Alena Vranova, maybe you know the Satoshi woman. She will have a presentation about her recent book called Little Bitcoin. We'll also have like interesting presentation about Bitcoinery, which is project focused to time locks. And also we'll have a workshop. So you probably had or you probably get this HCPP special HCPP badge. So the author, creator of these badges, he will have interesting presentation and workshop how it's possible to make your own badge. Also, we'll have another presentation about electrically conductive fiber clothes. Uh, Also, another presentation about Bitcoin Lightning, first Bitcoin Lightning ATM, how it is possible to make your own Lightning ATM machine. We'll have guys from Riyadh, Vienna. They will do workshop about black crystal. It's a hardware workshop. Charlie from Parallel Polis Prague, he will have a workshop how it's possible to make double spending, or at least how to hack application which don't verify number of configuration. So he created interesting applications. So definitely don't miss this workshop if you are interested to do double spending. There will be some guys talking from Monero community, I think, about new hardware wallet, and also some other presentation about cracking private keys. And also, we'll have like a projection of not a completely new film, but about new film about Czechoslovakia crypto community, which is still in progress. And I think tonight you can see premiere of this film. And the last thing is that in front of Parallel Polis, there is like a huge truck. It's called Descent Truck. And because we consider our thoughts and ideas to be really important, we decided to spread our ideas physically. And we bought like a physical truck. We call it Descent Truck. And we would like to use this Descent Truck to visit a lot of places and promote cryptocurrency, crypto liberation, cryptocurrencies. So I think at this time it's already open, so don't hesitate, visit Descent Truck when you go out of Parallel Polis. And that's all. Thank you for being here and enjoy your first, second, and third HCPP Congress. Thank you.